Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this 3D modeling, AutoCAD 3D modeling. This is tutorial number 11. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channels. Okay, to draw this drawing, please open the AutoCAD. This is the AutoCAD 2017 version. And choose Workspace 3D modeling in here. And check the unit type UN for Unix. Decimal precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay. And change the 2D wireframe. Choose isometric. And I erase my previous drawing. Okay. And then I start the drawing. To draw this sketch, here to change the UCS here. Change the UCS from X axis, Y axis. This is the plane that we step. Okay. And for the line, yeah. And this line is this the missing dimension. This is 30. So 30 plus 24 is 54. 54. And the height is 74. 74. And then get 24 for enter to down 5050 to 30 connect the line. Okay, now we get this face. Okay, this is with the 80, 10 plus 10 20 60 80. Press full command here to 80, enter. Okay, and then we make a cap hole, cut face 60. Okay, change the UCS, split origin X Y. Okay, IEC for rectangle here, and 60 X value 60, depth Y value 40, and move command select objects sketch to here, and then press full command here, then erase the sketch. Now we get this cat. Now again the cat is 60 40. Change the UCS to here, X, Y. IEC or rectangle 60, tab key 40. And then M for the move command, select objects here. And for the move command, select object here. Use press move command here, click. Okay, then erase the sketch. Okay, now easily you can get this has a radius 14 and center distance is 20. To get this, C for the side gear, radius 14, enter, and copy CP for copy the stand to 20. Measure distance here 20. Okay, connect the line two side, line not two side. Train command, train here, train. Then press full command to 30. Then move this object from this point to the point. Erase the sketch. Then union to combine the whole objects. Okay, and then now we have to hold this, the radius 7 hole, the center distance is 20. C for the cycle, here 7, CP ta 20, connect the cycle, the train command, then move this pad to here. Okay, then press full this to through. Okay, now you can easily get, and then we have to this width. Okay, it's the 10. Okay, to get this, change the UCS X Y solids wedge, choose the wedge. Okay, so we have dimension is 10 and that this dimension is 30, so we don't know yet the height. Okay, to get height, measure M, measure geometry, the distance to that point to that point is 26. Okay, now we get the height. What height? What here? Length is 30 step, width is 10, enter, and the height is 26. Okay, 3D rotates the what, enter, specify base point. Okay, to orbits, here the clockwise to minus 19. Okay, M for the mood, here, very easy. Okay, step by steps. Now the clearance is to don't touch the head. Okay, now heat, press pull here to a little bit fight to combine the objects. Okay, and use union command, select the whole object, enter. Now very easy. Change the isometrics off, change the view to realistic. Now move for the select objects to here and erase the sketch. Okay, and to change the color, the backlit layer to miss something. Okay, save. Now we get easily destroyed. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.